Let's start with the portal. Okay, cool. As said earlier, if you don't have access to the portal, let us know, please, and get in touch with your sales manager and get a login to the IBC portal and online store. Okay, the first tile is the online store, which we're going to have a look in a bit. Second tile is a PV Manager. We spoke about the PV Manager. I said it earlier before. PV Manager is our design tool, which you can purchase from us. The fee of the PV Manager is 2,450 Rand per year. So that's our yearly fee. In Europe, for instance, this 2,450 Rand is a monthly fee for PV Manager, and it's quite a successful tool. And we're integrating and pushing it much more in South Africa at the moment. And yeah, I think we have over 60 or 70 signups for it, companies using PV Manager. So, and they're very happy with it. We do trainings on it every month, every first Thursday of the month. So you can join it, have a look at it. It's a very cool tool for 3D planning of your projects, houses, do string layouts, mounting system layouts. Most of the systems or softwares you're using out there they don't do much with mounting systems. Like your helioscope doesn't really give you a bill of material. This system here gives you a bill of material with all what you need, down to the last screw, cabling and sizing and all of that. So it's very useful. And once you've finished your project, you can actually send it with one click into the IBC online store. You will see that in a bit as well. Cool. Let's go back here. Sales support tile. There's just a little bit of some information. There's questionnaires in there which you can download and use, which can be quite helpful. Then also our IBC power calculator. I don't know if you have seen it. It's on our website. So this is a very quick calculator. So you can do a very quick online design for a client if you want to. Or what you also can do actually is you can actually also buy this from us. So you can buy this online calculator from us and integrate it onto your website. So to actually, if people come onto your website, they can type in their address and then they can do their own little design. And if they press OK, the information gets sent to you directly, and you'll already see the address and what they designed on their roof. So it's quite helpful actually to attract leads into your company. So we can actually integrate this into your website. This is also something we offer from IBC headquarters in Germany. Then next tile, downloads. Downloads is a historic, so you can find anything what has ever been within the IBC portfolio, any data sheets in different languages, certifications, and all of that. So very helpful. Competence Center here on the right. Competence Center is our webinars. So you can easily see any upcoming webinars and trainings and all of that. Price list information. This is an Excel sheet price list. So if you want to take it with or you want to integrate it into your calculation somehow, you can download the Excel price list under this tile. Other than that, you can obviously use the online shop with all the pricing. Then technical services. Technical services. Slides are moving. Is everyone still on track here with me? Is it lagging or is it working fine? Just let me know quickly. Not that I'm at a very different slide than everyone else. Okay, cool. I got some thumbs up. Okay. Then Dylan, maybe it's on your side if it's not moving. Maybe lock out and lock in again. Okay. So our technical services, which we've been offering for quite a while now and has been very successful. So we offer commissioning and fault finding. So if you have issues on site or it's the first time you're installing something, now we're having the SolMD high voltage training today. So if you're not sure about your first installation and you need support on site, let us know, and we make sure that we have a technician going with you on site and supporting you with the commissioning and all of that. So we can offer that extra services. Same like with PV Manager designs. Now we're having a special get free PV Manager designs from next month. But other than that, we offer PV Manager designs as well, single line diagrams, whatever you need for, let's say, City of Cape Town registration or with any municipality registration, and you need a single line diagram for that, we can do that single line diagram for you as well. And that's all kind of like information or services which we offer on our from IBC directly. So there's a little download, and then you can check and see what else services we offer. Cool. Then order management. We just implemented that a couple of months ago. Not sure if everyone has seen it already. Order management. If you go onto order management, you can see all your past orders. Let's go to the top one here. We start with the first one, confirmed orders. So you can see your open invoices here. Okay, what is open at the moment? Then you can also see your credit limit here on my side. In my system here, it said like 1 million rand credit limit. At the moment, I have nothing open, or I haven't used the credit limit, so I'm still can purchase for 1 million rand. My payment terms is 30 days after invoice, and my shipment term is X works. So you can see all of that in your portal. And my screen is a bit flickering here. I hope not on your side. Okay, it's back. Then below here, I put in some test orders. So you can see here any open order. So this is all confirmed orders at the moment, and they haven't been shipped or anything like that. This is just open orders, which you then also can, if you click on it, which you then also can download. Yeah, that's coming up here. So and then you can download those. So it's not always necessary that you actually get the information from us sent, but you would also get this in the IBC portal. It's a bit slow right now, I think, with all the traffic here right now. Okay, perfect. You see, and then here you find the performer invoice uploaded for a SolMD high voltage battery. Also, what will be is open invoices. So you will see any invoice which is open. I have none open at the moment because it's my test account. Recent shipments. So you would also see all delivery notes, as well as invoices overview. Invoices overview will be your tax invoices with all kind of like information towards that. So this will be very helpful for you to track invoices and anything within IBC, so you don't have to actually ask anyone at IBC for an invoice or anything like that. You will be able to find that in the online portal. Perfect. Then my IBC, if you want to add a new colleague, go to my IBC user administration, and then you can add new users to your system, and your colleagues can have access with their own email addresses to the IBC portal. Industry guidelines. Industry guidelines is SSEG information. We actually have got sub-via information and PV green card, where to get it, where to do it. So you can get all of that, and also contacts to any of the municipalities. That's links to the municipalities where actually SSEG is in place. You can see here where it's red where SSEG is in place, and you can apply. So you can actually use these to get to the websites of the different municipalities in South Africa. So very useful links. Okay, cool. Let's jump to the online shop. I see there was a question. PV Manager question. Yeah, I would ask PV Manager Winston. Let's keep PV Manager questions specifically for a training there, or let's I'll answer it later. I'll send you an email. It's not for this training to go too deep into the PV Manager. Okay, cool. So let's go at the front here, the start. So there's our online shop. Here now, obviously in the slider, you see the training. You see also the current special at the moment in the slider, which is still a couple of days valid. So if you have a system bigger than 30 kilowatt and you're using a GoodWe inverter, IBC mounting, and from us, and you buy from us panels, you get a 5% extra discount on the full system. So, which is quite a lot. So yeah, if you have something going and you want to use a GoodWe inverter in this system bigger than 30 kilowatt, do it now and receive an extra 5% discount. Oops, sorry, now I clicked on it. It's a bit lagging here on the speed now, I think. Okay, let's move on. So in the online shop, it locked me out now. Sorry, for some reason. Okay, now I'm back. Yeah, now it's coming back. Sorry. Okay, so if we see in the overview here, the front side, you can see current highlights, products which are highlighted, and also all our categories at the bottom, as well as above here. You can see the different categories. So let's have a quick look at PV modules. PV modules was a big problem for a while, but that has been resolved. So PV module stock looks much better now. So also what changed now is new is our availability graph, which is actually pretty nice now. So in the first view, you see already what is available when, and you see, okay, this is per week. So you can see 3, 4, 5, in 6 weeks time, we're getting the new 425 module in here as well in 5 weeks time. So you can see in the overview right away what is available and when. So very cool actually to see. So lots of modules available right now, prices dropped. So yeah, have a look at it. Let's have a quick look. Also, if we go into a product, let's have a look at Solar MD, for instance. 14.3 batteries are available now again. We worked through our backlog the whole year now, like more than 12 months backlog, and trying to catch up. I think now we're busy catching up. And if you click onto the product, you can also see again the availability graph here, and you can see what is going to be in stock. So you can see even that there is this week products which are coming in, should be able to ship out again. So there is availability right now. So use your voucher and yeah, purchase batteries. Also, one thing I want to say, forgot to say earlier, the voucher for Solar MD batteries is only valid until end of July. So use it then within July. Also, here you can see download section. If you want to get some data sheets or anything like that, certificates or whatever of products, you can find it here. On the right side, you see our prices from 1 piece to 10 pieces. So if you put in 10, your price changes, and you have got, oh, I see there's actually a mistake here. You have got a cheaper, or like it's a volume kind of like discounts for multiple products. One product I also quickly want to highlight here is our e-mobility. Also new products we have got in here is EV chargers. It's coming more and more in South Africa. So we have the GoodWe wall boxes, which work nicely with the GoodWe ES 5000 or 6000, a very nice system. Then the wall box, as well as Victron wall box or EV charger, also available now with in stock. Cool. Then let's have a quick look at the top here. My designs. I told you earlier that we did a PV Manager design. The other day we did a training, and I made actually Kyle's house. We did a design for Kyle's house, and then once the design was done, I send it to the online store. So then it comes in here at my PV designs. And the only thing I do now is I press add to cart. Now it adds that's what we planned. Adds it all to the cart. right? So we used IBC modules, a GoodV 6000, the ES, the new one, Solar MD battery, of course, right? And then tile mounting systems. Everything is available right now. Actually, everything is green or orange. Orange means still enough. So we can actually very easy from here, then press continue. And now with the voucher code, even get a little discount, and order all the products right away in the online stop and get it sent to your warehouse. So very easy and quick. If you're not sure about it, but you need, some people asking for quotes, I need a written quote, something written down somewhere. So what you also can do is you can press request quote and then send it to your email address if you want to, and you can send this whole quote to your email address, and you have it by email confirmed from us as well as a quote. So it makes it also very easy for you. Other than that, you can also, if you scroll down, you can also save this as a shopping cart. If you save this as a shopping cart, you can go to, oh, it changed now actually. You can go to my documents. And then on the bottom of my documents, you got your shopping carts. And then you can see all your latest shopping carts when you created them. So also very easy. And then you can load them again into the shop, into your shopping cart, or shopping basket. Also here, within my documents, same thing again. You actually have your overview of all your addresses, your shipping addresses. The same overview we saw earlier with my credit, payment terms, and all of that, as well as all the orders. So here I easily can quickly jump into an order and have a look. What did I order? What is my delivery date for this order? So yeah, this will all be then also managed from our side. The shipping dates will be updated, so you can always see under, oops, we go down here. Here you can see the delivery dates under my documents. So you see the actual delivery dates of these invoices or of these orders, and can keep an overview here. Cool, that's it. It was much longer than I thought, actually. This was like nearly 20 minutes now. Okay, cool. It was a lot to tell, I think. I think it's very useful. So yeah, if you're not logged in yet or don't have an account yet, make sure you get a IBC online store login and IBC portal. Okay, cool. That should be enough now. Let's hand over to Kyle. I think, I'm not sure if everyone knows Kyle. Kyle was actually previously working within Solar MD and joined IBC Solar from 1st of June. So he's a new addition to our team. He has been, so his task is to work with commercial storages. So he's going to be our commercial storage specialist. So exactly perfect for today's topic. And if you have got any questions, if you do some designs for commercial battery backup systems, let us know. Speak to Kyle, and he can help you. He can assist you. That's definitely something we're going to specialize as IBC a little bit more in the next years. So that's a good start of it.